Ino ni meri ya agendi ya gikiro kia iguru ya Crystal Symphony iria ikinyirie gicukiro-ini kia meri kia Mombatha kirogo kia umuthi ikuite agendi 600 na aruti wira meri-ini 400 aria megukorwo guku bururi-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku 2. Ona thengia ya mbura nini iria kuraga mwena wa gicua-ini kirogo kia umuthi, agendi acio mauma na gikeno na nyota nene ya gucera na kwirorera ugemu wa bururi uyu.
About 200 of them are disembarking. That goes to show that indeed their presence here is impacting Kenya coast in a big way. Some have already proceeded for excursions in different parts of Kenya coast. And for us, it goes to show that the sector is indeed growing.
Akiaria riria kwamũkagĩra meri ĩno, mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa bodi ya ũgendi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ June Chepkemei augĩte gũkinya kwa meri ĩno nĩ kũhũrĩte njeki sector ya ũgendi na njĩra nene.
Last year we saw a growth of 140% in cruise tourism. Beginning of the year has proved that we are going to grow beyond that. The numbers for tourism are on a high trajectory. We are hitting our targets and we are happy to continue growing the sector. We call upon all our tourists to tembea Kenya, tembea magical Kenya.
Handũ-inĩ yake mwandĩki rũhonge-inĩ rwa Kenya Ports Authority John Turasha nĩeranĩire wĩrutĩri wa rũhonge rũu gũteithĩrĩria meri cia ũgendi gĩcukĩro-inĩ kĩu.
We are very glad and we hope that our guests are going to enjoy Mombasa, Kenya, and we hope that you are going to have a great time and therefore come many times. We will always support you.
Handũ-inĩ ya agendi arĩa mauma meri-inĩ ĩno nĩ matarĩirie gĩkeno kĩao gũkorwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Excited to be in the country. We have wonderful tours planned for our guests to travel in and do many things here in Mombasa, and we couldn't be more honored to be here and be celebrated by your country.
Expectations in Kenya. I haven't been to Kenya. It's a huge place. I'm hoping that we see again more of how people live and how you are different to the other parts of Africa. And of course it's got a reputation as being Kenya, and Kenya's the place where everybody comes to see the animals and everything else. So, and it's developing rapidly. So we're quite optimistic about it.
I find it so inspiring and it's exciting and it's colourful and it's very exotic, and I just love the people. You're all very friendly and yeah, I'm just very happy to be here.
Kũringana na kĩoneki gĩa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza, bũrũri ũtanyĩte kuongerera namba ya agendi arĩa maceraga gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ o mwaka nginyagia agendi milioni 5 o mwaka kwambĩrĩria mwaka ũkĩte.
The reasons why our governor have been fighting about those direct flights. We've seen the reasons why the number has increased. If you're saying we want to target 5 million international tourists towards 2027, that means we must have more flights. More flight means another direct flight, and that we've seen it become easier for tourists now who comes here. They can come through the cruise and then leave directly from the airport.
Ũndũ ũyũ ũtanyĩtwo kũgacĩrithia sekta ĩyo, gũthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ na gũkũria ũtonga wa bũrũri kumana na mbeca iria agendi aya marĩhaga o mwaka.
Thank you to everyone for having us, and we're very proud and honored to be here and be part of your culture. It's very lovely.
We're expecting another one in February, and a couple of them are lined up. This is still the season, and so going into the future, we are likely to hit about 6.
Meri ĩno ĩrĩ thabarĩ-inĩ yumĩte bũrũri-inĩ wa South Africa na thutha wa thikũ 2 kwambĩrĩria thabarĩ ĩngĩ yerekeire bũrũri-inĩ wa India.